happens if there are two asterisk symbols in the expression. So this is the example I am taking, that A star B star C, which consists of two star symbols, that is asterisk symbols, and the algorithm goes like this. You have to take a stack of size, this is stack S, and this is the index 1, this is index 1, and this is index 2, right? And let me have the output also, and let me take the token that is being read at this time, right? So we have a pointer P which reads the given infix expression from left hand side to right hand side. You have to scan the infix expression only from the left hand side to right hand side, right? So the first one, the token that is being read is nothing but an alphabet A, which is an operand. So according to step 1 of the given algorithm, if it is an operand, whether it can be a uppercase letters from capital A to capital Z, or it can be from the lowercase letters small a to small z, and whether it can be the numericals like 0 to 9 also. Whenever it is an operand, you just have to place it in the output. So I have placed A in the output and increment pointer P to points to this star, right? Now it is an operator. So whenever it is an operator, go to step 4, which says that you have to check whether the stack is empty or not. If the stack is empty, then it is a direct operation that you have to push it onto the stack, right? So after that, you increment the pointer P such that it points to the element B or the operand B. So whenever it is an operand, you place it in the output. Increment pointer such that it points to the star operator. When it is an operator, you have to check whether the stack is empty or not. The stack is not empty. In such case, you have to check the precedence of the incoming operator. The incoming operator is nothing but star. The precedence of the incoming operator star should be compared with the precedence of the symbol that is present on the top of the stack, right? So both the operators are having the equal precedence. Whenever we have equal precedence, then you should go for a concept called associativity. So you have to check what is the associativity of these operators, competing operators. The associativity of star is left to right. That means you start scanning the expression from left to right. Whichever operator comes first, that will be the first sub expression you need to evaluate, right? This is what L2R associativity says, right? But here, whenever it is a left to right associativity, what you have to do is equal precedence operator cannot lie on top of another operator. So it involves two different steps. You have to pop, as a first step, you have to pop the element that is present on the top of the stack and place it in the output, right? So the first one is pop, and the second operation which you have to do is you have to push the new incoming operator. So star is pushed, it remains as it is, right? Now increment pointer such that it points to C. Since it is an operand, place it in the output, and you have reached the end of the expression. Whenever you reach the end of the expression, you have to look at the stack. If the stack is not empty, you have to pop each and every element from the stack and push it into the, or place it into the output. So you remove this. So you remove this or pop it and place it in the output. So this is how it happens in case of two stars. Let me clear if the expression consists of two right associative operators. This example I have given in the previous class also, but let me clear, let me have a distinction between this left to right associativity and right to left associativity, right? So let me take another example, $B$C. This is my stack, which consists of 3 elements, and this is my output. First element, that is red, is A, that is the token is A, it is an operand, place it in the output. Increment pointer, it is pointing to dollar. Since it is an operator, check the stack is empty or not. It is empty, so you just push it into the stack. Next, increment pointer, it is pointing to B. It is an operand, place it in the output. Now, increment pointer, the incoming operator is dollar, and it is also having an operator which is on the top of the stack. It is also a dollar symbol, right? Now you have to check the precedence of the incoming operator, this dollar, with the precedence of the top element, this dollar. Since the precedence of both these operators are equal, then you have to go for associativity rule. And the associativity of exponentiation operator is right to left. So in such case, you have to change the algorithm. If it is a right to left associativity, then the algorithm allows to make the equal precedence operator to lie on the same operator, right? So dollar can be placed on top of this, the top element, that is dollar. So in this case, there is only one operation, that is push. So you push it, and now the stack contents are like this: $1, and this is my top element, right? After this, the pointer is incremented and it is pointing to another element which is C, and since it is an operand, place it in the output, and you have reached the end of the expression. Whenever you reach the end of the expression, you check whether the stack consists of any contents or not. If it consists, you just pop each and every element and place it in the output. So pop this first element and place it in the output. Pop the second element and place it in the output. This is how the left to right associativity operators and right to left associativity operators varies. So for this expression, that is A star B star C, the equivalent postfix expression is AB star C star. But for the expression A exponentiation B exponentiation C, the equivalent postfix expression is A, B, C, dollar, dollar. So there is only one difference. Whenever the operators having equal precedence and they are left to right associativity, equal precedence operator cannot lie on top of the other operator. So you have to perform two operations. One is pop and place it in the output, and then you have to push the element. The second operation is push, right? Pop and push. Whereas if you come to this equal precedence operators which are having the right to left associativity, the equal precedence operators can lie on the other operators. So there exists only one operation, that is push. So you have to push the new operator.